Good morning. Today's topic is how do organisms reproduce. First question. Write the name of the organ or part of human reproductive system that performs. Site of implantation of zygote. The site of implantation of zygote is the uterus. Entry of sperms in female reproductive system. Entry of sperms in female reproductive system through the vagina. Then second question, explain about menstruation. Menstruation is period during which shedding of uterine lining along with degenerated ovum through the vagina as blood and mucus. It lasts for 3 to 4 days. Then third question, write two advantages of vegetative propagation. Plants bear fruits faster as compared to grown by seed. This is one of the advantages. And the second advantage is helpful for the plants that produce dormant seeds or lost the capacity to produce seeds. It is a boon for the seedless fruits or plants. Then fourth question, mention different ways of asexual reproduction. Fission, budding, regeneration, spore formation, and vegetative propagation are the different ways of asexual reproduction. Explain how embryo gets nourishment inside mother's body. This is the fifth question. The embryo gets nourishment through disc-like attachment to the wall of uterus called placenta. It is surrounded by blood vessels and transfer of glucose and oxygen from mother's blood. The excretion also will get excreted with the help of the placenta. Then sixth question, what is pollination? The transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of the same or another flower of the same kind is called pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma, whether it is the same flower or another flower of the same kind, is called pollination. Seventh question, what is vegetative propagation? When new plants are grown by using vegetative parts like root, stem, and leaves, it is known as vegetative propagation. When new plants are produced, are formed, or grown by the vegetative parts, that is called as vegetative propagation. Then eighth question, what is placenta? The tissue connecting developing embryo, that is called as the fetus, and mother is called placenta. The ninth question, how is the process of pollination different from fertilization? Pollination, fertilization. First one, pollination. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called pollination. Fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. Pollination is a physical process in which movement of pollen grains are attained by certain physical factors. Fertilization is a biological process. Then 10th question, what is the role of the seminal vesicles and the prostate gland? The role of the prostate gland is makes the medium of semen alkaline. And the role of the seminal vesicle is adds fluid content to the semen. So this is the role of the seminal vesicle and prostate gland. Thank you.